I'm Britannia and I'm going to explain about the media in the USA.
The first one is newspaper, published in the early 1800s. Newspaper publishing process such as news gathering and reporting, editing and printing. There are two types of newspaper. The first one is political papers and the second one is commercial papers. Political newspaper probably not the best source for news about business or rural life. Freedom's Journal was the first black newspaper in the United States, founded in 1827. Black newspaper had same things in common with other newspaper. The Sherlock Phoenix was the first Native American newspaper, which began publication in 1828. Second is radio. Owes its existence in 1877 by a German people named Heinrich Rudolf Hertz. Thomas Alva Edison took out a patent for wireless telegraphy through the use of discontinuous radio waves 8 years after Hertz's discovery. RCA formed the NBC. RCA's aim is to take over its network broadcasting business on September 25, 1926. NBC's rival is CBS. It was obtained and reorganized by William Paley in 1928. Radio broadcasting is the cheapest form of entertainment. The golden age of radio were in the 1930s. Radio is so popular. The third one is television. Television successfully demonstrated in San Francisco on September 7, 1927 by Philo Taylor Farnsworth, a young 21-year-old inventor. 16 years before Farnsworth's first success, Boris Rosin in Russia had conducted some crude experiments in transmitting images. Americans who live within range of the growing number of television stations in the 1949 could watch several programs of televisions. Many programs in television were borrowed from radio.
Hello everyone, I am Handika and I will explain about media in UK. Media in the UK. For the first one is newspaper. Newsletter had been acknowledged as an ordinary shape of correspondence between authorities or companion in Roman times. And within the late Center Age, bulletin between the vital exchanging families start to cross wildernesses routinely. The Fuggers family were proprietors of an important money-related house within the German city of Augsburg. Their customary bulletins were well known indeed to untouchables. The newsletter usually conquered supremacy as an unequivocal daily paper is the connection of Strasbourg. To begin with, the print in 1609 by Johann Carolus. A near equal is the Ephesus connection order Zeitung. Zeitung is the German word for newspaper. Established within the same year by Heinrich Julius, Duke of Brunswick Wolfenbüttel. The next is radio. On 14 November 1922, in London, the BBC opened the primary regular public broadcasting station within the world. Station in Birmingham and Manchester opened the Talking of the Day, taken after by Newcastle on 24 December. Cardiff on the 13 February 1923, Glasgow on the 6th Walk, Aberdeen on 10 October and Bournemouth on 17 October. In 1936 and 1937, high-power transmitters opened at Lisnagravie for Northern Freeland, Staxel for the northeast, and Cumbria and Burghead for northern Scotland, each carrying the tutorial program as it were. The BBC, to begin with FM radio station, opened on 2nd May in 1955 at Wortham in Kent, broadcasting all three systems to London and then southeast of Britain. The last one is television in UK. The primary British TV broadcast was made by Baird Television's electromechanical framework over the BBC radio transmitter in September 1929. On Admirable 22, 1932, the BBC propelled its claimed normal benefits utilizing Baird 30-line electromechanical framework, proceeding until September 11 in 1935. In the 2nd November in 1936, they got to be the world's to begin world standard high-definition TV benefits. TV broadcasts in London were on the discussed and a normal of 4 hours day by day from 1936 to 1939. There were 12,000 to 15,000 receivers. Digital Earthbound TV propelled in 1998 as a membership benefits named on digital. Freesat in UK, to begin with, supplier of tall definition TV without a membership. One channel was accessible at this